Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a few things that you can do with your toddler on a rainy day. Or it doesn't even have to be a rainy day. It could just be a day when your toddler is just cranky, teething, and not feeling it. So without further ado, here we go. If you are living with a toddler, you've probably seen this once or twice. Good job. Can you put them in? Put them in. Good job. Put them back in. Put it in the tube. Good job. Yay! Go get it. Yay! Did you do it? Yay! Oh, good job. Good job. Can you put them back? Can you put them in the other one? Good job. Put them in there. Good job, baby. Good job. That's good too. Picking them up and using your fingers. Good job. Very good. Good job! Make all the bubbles. What is it? It's bubbles. Swish, 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 swish. Turn it. Good job. Are you scooping? wooden spoon, some cups for pouring, a little tube, some little strainers, and a toddler. Makes for a happy day. Good work, Artie. What is it? What did you find in there? Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. We were just showing you, or we just wanted to show you a few things that you can do with your toddler on a rainy day. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And as always, stay safe, be kind to each other, and we will see you next time. Mom. Is this the blooper reel? Uh-oh. This is why this would be a better activity for outside. Yeah. Or on a wooden floor or with a bigger mat underneath. But that's okay. That's what vacuum cleaners are for. So you made the blooper reel, Artie. End scene.